Fine. You have a ball, right? Yep. All right. Off to your right, there are some rusty old things. You're going to, that's your destination right now. Right over there. Yep. Okay, walk toward the pipes. Just to show some support for what's going on. Alright, you stop. Let's go to the side. Nobody important. Nobody important. So what I'm having you do is you've got behavior going. When the dog came back to you and circle, okay, let's take a couple steps and say, all right, I'm with you on this, and then let the dog work. This is a hard find. All right, if the dog comes back or looks at you, we're going to take another couple steps forward toward there.
You're just trying to pinpoint it. It's underneath it.
If she looks at us, we're going to take a couple steps. Let's take a couple steps. Stop. No. The scent is out there, just so you understand. All right? She doesn't look at us. If she looks at us, we'll take a couple steps. You have massive behavior going on here.
Just keep
see
going
what's
right under
happening
it.
is the scent is stopping. The scent is rolling off the top of that. There we
she
go.
goes.
There we go. Okay? And when she, okay, take a couple steps. And you'll stay right here.
Show me!
Run,
Where?
run, run, run. Right up her butt. Right up her butt. Make the sign. Happy times.
She found me on the other side. That's a where? Where? Yes, good girl. Look at you. Look.
Right.
Yes, good girl. Good girl.
Right, did you understand what I
Good
was saying?
dog.
Take a couple steps.
Good girl, Zephyr.
Right.
Ready?
We'll see if there's any question. You know, and Nicole, we're good. Thank you. If there's any question, you've got behavior. All right. So now the dog's working. I can't find it.